Do you want your child to learn more about computers and digital technologies? In today's world, digital technology is a daily part of our lives. It's essential to understand it, especially from a young age. We'll explore topics from bits and bytes to creating games. So, gear up for a fascinating journey into the world of computers and digital technologies. Ever wondered what makes a computer tick? It's like a tiny city buzzing with activity. The processor is the mayor, making decisions at lightning speed. The memory, or RAM, is like a big library holding all the information the processor needs. And the storage, like a hard drive, is a massive warehouse, storing everything from your favorite photos to important documents. Imagine all these tiny parts working together to help you surf the web, play games, and do your homework. Did you know computers have their own language called binary? Imagine you and your friend inventing a secret language that only you two understand. That's what binary is for computers. It's like their secret handshake, but instead of hands, they use bits and bytes. Every time you type a letter, number, or even a cute smiley face, the computer changes it into a series of zeros and ones. That's right. Your hello becomes something like 010010001100110011001100110011001111. So every time you type a message, you're also speaking in binary to your computer. Ever wondered how a video call connects you to your friend thousands of miles away? Imagine the internet as a super fast postal service. Your message gets broken up into tiny packets, each with their own address. They whiz across the world, taking different routes, but all ending up at the same place, your friend's device. It's like magic, right? This happens billions of times every second. It's like a digital highway, connecting people all around the globe within seconds. So, we've taken a quick dive into the world of computers and digital technology. We've explored computer anatomy, decoded binary language, and surfed the internet's workings. Grasping these concepts is integral in today's digital era. Remember, every bit of knowledge about computers and digital technology takes you one step closer to becoming a digital wizard.